Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Monday morning, such a week we're gonna have. It's gonna be insane simply because we have a lot of economic events. We're gonna start right now. I hope you had a great weekend, simply because you have to be prepared definitely for this week. Monday, we start with actually no events. Tuesday, GDP for United Kingdom manufacturing production. After that, 9:30 in the morning GMT time. Wednesday, core CPI, crude oil inventories, Federal Reserve interest rate decision. We're gonna have a crazy Wednesday for the United States. After Thursday, general elections in UK. After that, interest rate in Swiss, deposit facility rate, interest rate in Eurozone 12.45. PPI USD for United States dollars 130. Press conference ECB. Paulos is gonna give a speech. This is only on Thursday. All of these events, it's gonna be crazy. And core retail sales Friday. We're gonna finish the week and with retail sales and core retail sales 130 GMT. Guys, just go and take a look. The calendar is gonna be insane. Very volatile events. So this week is gonna be very interesting. So as usual, we start with Euro US dollar in front of us. As we talked last week, we expect definitely, even after this, after 4th of December, we expect drop. It happened 2 days later. So as you can see, Euro pushed down with 70 pips. Slight recovery. We can see we are staying below the support level 1.1072, and after the recovery, we can definitely see continuation to the downside of the Euro US dollar. You know my opinion about it. So just we're gonna go to GBP US. Very strong, very definitely. This is what I call strong breakout. 160 pips almost for a day. 120 after that. Just added 50 pips on top of it. So GBP US, as you can see, slight recovery heading up to break out this resistance. Any moment we can see a drop. Very important UK general election on Thursday. It's very important event for the Great British Pound, as you know. So just be very careful when you're trading GBP, because you can make a lot of money, but the vice versa is also possible. So just keep it. I would definitely suggest you to keep it very limited and conservative. Australian US. As you can see, the Australian is moving in a very tight range for a couple of days, trying to push lower. The volatility here is definitely not very big. 30 pips, it's nothing for the forex market, and it's trying to break out the new support 0.6829, 0.68 round number, and eventually to reach 0.6770, this level. So let's see what's gonna happen. We don't have a lot of major events for the Australian dollar this week, and just it's a matter of time to see more volatility on the Australian. I think it's going to be driven by the US dollar most likely than the Australian dollar. New Zealand, very strong breakout of the resistance. Any moment we can see recovery to the downside. If you're gonna take any long trades, just highly recommend it just to wait for recovery, then take any buy trades. It's totally buy, absolutely. By New Zealand dollar, US, it's bullish. So let's see what's gonna happen. What's going on with USD Canadian, staying 1.3256. Let's quickly take a look first the crude oil to see where the direction is going. We are very close to our long-term target, $60 to $63. So 60 is a round number. Tested here the resistance level, so be careful if you're gonna take any trades until 60, because, or at least if you're gonna take any trades, be careful with the 60 level. Right now staying on 58.82, our significant support, and we expect further continuation to the downside. The trend is very bullish, so definitely crude oil is a good opportunity. So following this logic, if we see Canadian dollar going up, it's gonna push USDCAD going down, and this recovery that happened just for 100 pips, I think it's most likely just a step back of the Canadian dollar in order to continue to the downside. 1.3255, we are staying almost in the middle of the range. 1.3278 the resistance, and 1.3213 the support zone. Round number didn't manage to bounce back from this level when it broken out, but I think we're gonna have a good opportunity soon to take short trades on the USD Canadian dollar. Again, we have a lot of events this week, so a lot of things are gonna happen. USD Swiss, it's trying to push up, staying on the bottom of the range. 0.99 right, sitting right on the top of the round number, and significant resistance. We don't have a very strong breakout of this level, so still can hold it, but I'm not gonna be surprised if we see 0.9946. For now, I'm not gonna take any action. We are getting closer to the support 0.9842, so just I'm gonna wait to see where the price is gonna go. I'm not gonna take buy trade simply because Swiss franc is expected to grow, so it's gonna push the USD Swiss franc down. Most likely I'm gonna take the breakout of 0.9842, and this is gonna be my plan for now. USD Japanese, sitting on support level 108.48. It bounced back from the support, as you can see here, the last couple of days. Touched the resistance 109 strong resistance zone, simply it's a round number, and drop to the downside in order to start creating a very tight range between 108.48 and 109. So I think we're gonna see a breakout of the lows in order the price to head to 107.88, 107.04. Why not the round number? So for this it's gonna take some time, but for the next support level, I don't believe it's gonna take a lot of time, more than 2 or 3 days. We definitely can see this support. Anyway, I don't like to forecast the price. I like to read what's going on right now on the chart. So I'm going to take short trades on USD Japanese. I'm looking for bearish signals, and I'm gonna take an action. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to keep yourself updated to our new videos every Monday and Wednesday. I'm sorry, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome, of course. Thumbs up if you like the video, share us and like us on the social medias. Have a very profitable week. Follow the economic calendar, it's going to be very interesting. And of course, expect my video on Wednesday. Good luck.